Okay, check it out guys. So I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb in a 2012 Toyota Corolla Altis. And this is the same for any 2008 to 2013 model. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to pop the hood. So we'll just go in here, pop the hood. Next thing you want to do is you want to find the lamp. Now don't worry if you don't really have a lot of space to maneuver. It's really simple, and you might look down there and you might see some screws, and you might notice the lamp already. It's the one connected to the wire, and you might know some screws and thinking you might need a screwdriver. You don't. Actually, all you have to do is just twist it. If you can see, if I can get my camera here, you just have to twist it to the side and it comes out. Alright, there it is. And so if you guys are looking at this, there's a push right here. All you have to do is push this down. And if you push this down, this will loosen the bulb and you can just pull the bulb out. Yep, and there it is right there. The simplest job ever, pulling the light bulb out. That's it. And it goes back in, and then you just find the socket and you just twist. That's all it is. Don't be fooled about the screws. You don't actually need a screw. You just twist. That's it. Simple.